Hey folks, so being the hoarder that I am, I had an extra Primaris tank just laying around, as you do, and I thought, why not try to make this into a Chaos Land Raider? So for the most part, I'm going to be using bits from the Chaos Rhino kit for the spikes and the Legionnaire on top. I thought the normal barrel on the tank looked a little bit boring for what I was going for, so I decided to take one of the cannon arms off of the Forge Fiend and painted wild and put that on there.
Theme for the UI visuals. At first I thought they would have changed the magic orb icon to an hourglass to try to fit more spell icons on it, but no, they just made it way harder to read at a glance. Where City Hall used to just have crenulations on the banner, and now it's a little icon.
Now we can't forget to get rid of all the Imperial Aquillas and all of that, because hey, this is a Chaos tank now. And it doesn't matter if it's a little rough, want to make it look like they just took an axe to it and just got rid of it. And with a little bit more snipping, we're going to put little dragon heads on the top of the tank, just, for a little bit more flair. We're also going to be scattering skulls around the tank to sell that World Eater look. After priming the model, we're going to go over all the edges with a black, before going over with a slightly thinned out red to add some depth, before we do any dry brushing or washes. And now for the tedious part, going over all the gunmetal parts with lead belcher. Now we'll go over the trim of the tank with retribreeder armor. For the teeth and the skulls, we're going to be doing 2 layers of Corax white because honestly, as long as you thin it down and put on 2 layers, you could get some pretty good coverage with it. We're going to be going over the coils and lenses with a halo silver to get a bright metallic undercoat before we go over it with the contrast paints. We're going to be going over the plasma coils and the lenses around the tank with warp storm green. headlights in the front of the tank going to be going over with a nice yellow contrast. With the finer details done, we'll dry brush the sharp edges with a dab of lead belcher to give it a nice and battle-weathered look. And now with Angrath Earthshade, we'll go all over just to make it even more dirtier. And finally, we're going to use some water transfer sheets from the Gladiator kits to fully devote this War Machine to corn. With that, we're done. Let's see how it turned out. Hey folks, just want to say thanks for watching this latest video. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I had a lot of fun painting it up, but if you guys think it could turn out a little bit better, let me know what you guys would have done differently, because I love hearing your guys' thoughts on what I paint up. And again, remember to like, share, subscribe, the whole shebang, because every little bit helps. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.